How's it going, everyone? Mike here with August 27th, Merch by Amazon sales update. Another incredible day. 16 sales, as you can see here. This is the total. This is the US market, but it's also the total number of sales. I didn't get any sales anywhere else, but I was still, as you can see, very, very happy with how the day went. Total of $289.84 in sales for the $60.14 of royalties. Royalties per sale, $375. So as I was going through these products, what I'm noticing is, and I don't know if you guys are noticing this as well, products that I listed, let's say, to be fair, maybe 4 months ago. Every once in a while, I'll see a bunch of those products start to sell as if they're only now being shown to customers. I understand that that's not the case, right? But it's just weird and awkward timing that a bunch of the products that I listed around the same time just start selling. And, it's usually the same day or around the same day. The other couple of things that I've noticed is newer products, and I'm talking days old. Once in a while they pop up in days like this, and to me that's just kind of like motivating, because I actually want to see that, because sometimes you'll list a couple thousand, like according to the new system, a couple thousand products, and nothing sells. But again, a couple thousand is only like a few days. But when I list something and then, for example, I get a sale the next day or within a week, it just makes me think, do I start just listing more products in that specific niche, or am I doing something different and something right when it comes to those listings, right? So those are the things that I actually look at. I kind of like dissect. I do my detective work and dissect the all the information that I've entered for that listing. And just kind of want to repeat that process. But once in a while, it's just a design, and there's nothing that you can do about it. Let me just pause this and refresh this page, because it's showing a 0. Oh, there it is. Actually, for some reason, I guess it's going through the different marketplaces. While actually I'm on this screen, I'm going to get into my monthly numbers. But while I'm on this screen, and I'm recording this actually late at night on the 28th, 3 sales. So days like this, but look at this, the last Saturday and this Saturday, 3. And for whatever reason, I still can't understand and explain, for example, this kind of a spike. I always feel like Amazon is doing something behind the scenes, because these aren't even my best sellers. One of them is one of the better sellers, but not the best sellers that sometimes get 3, 4, 5 sales a day. So they're not even selling. The thing that I did notice, actually, for one of the best sellers that did have an Amazon's Choice tag, they've actually changed the wording of the tag to something that I believe will be even better. But again, we'll see if that actually generates a lot more sales, as I'm expecting, because I guess just the search term that they're using now compared to a couple days ago or even last week is to me better. 275 sales total. So this is, again, looking really good. Let me just pull up the calendar. So with today, and today I guess is not over, there are 3 days plus today, so 4 days in total, 3.5 days. And there's a pretty big chance that I'm going to crack that 300, which is something that I've been looking forward to. But when it comes to U.S. sales, this is what I was talking about. I did a video yesterday where I basically said, could be a record-breaking month, and that's actually very possible right now, because as of right now, August so far is better than any month since March. March is one of the records, including November. And then I'm pretty sure I'm going to beat every single month, including December, January, February, and then all of these for sure. and then these two are still in the running. So there's, if I have, a few good days, again, looking at today, that's probably not the chance, and not gonna happen. But again, I could have one of the best months since last year, which would actually take me all the way back to, the beginning of 2019. So that is starting to feel really, really good. The other thing that including these spikes. Now I can't say that they're one-offs anymore, because as you can see here, most of my week have been. I've had days where, I've hit over 10 sales a day in the U.S., which means that I'm seeing these spikes more and more, and that just makes me think that going into September and October, it's definitely gonna be better. But again, that's just me kind of going based on the information that I'm seeing in front of me. But we'll see. And look at this. When I hover over, look at the royalties. Like, this to me is amazing. $48, 41, 52, 60. I think a couple weeks ago, there was a day where I did $70 in profits. So, overall, things are looking pretty amazing. And, there's nothing else that I can say. 275 so far. Let's see the total for the previous month. So July, again, 30 sales difference already. Looking at, let's look at June just quickly. I just want to see total sales, because we've seen the US sales, but again, this was a little better than July, but again, still not even close to the current month. So overall, I mean, things are looking great. Anyways, I'm going to wrap it up here. Hopefully you guys are doing well, and hopefully you're actually starting to see that increase in sales that we're kind of expecting after the summer ends. And, with back to school, with Halloween, with maybe almost Christmas shopping, holiday shopping, things are about to get really, really interesting. And honestly, I love it. I'll talk to you guys soon.